In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to configure the image grid on your GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the image tab up at the top, and then you want to go down and select where it says configure grid. You can go ahead and make any of the adjustments you would like, as well as for appearance. You can change how you want the grid to appear, the color of the grid, as well as the spacing and the offset appliances or features. Select OK to confirm, or you can reset these options by selecting the reset button. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.